Welcome. Kindly subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get more as Viola's Diary. You're in the right place at the right time. I will give you content. So I'm taking you today to Oloolua Nature Trail. It's near Karen Blixen, and let me welcome you again. Welcome back to Viola's Diary. I know it's been a while, but we are back like we never left. So today we're going for a hike, and let me tell you, if you're a nature lover, trust me, this is the best place to be. So guys, let me show you how the evening will be. Zamika, I carry you? Yeah, so that is just it in the evening. That tells you that after the hike, we are going out for dinner. Yeah, so and it is a very good place, by the way. You can go with the kids. So it is place friendly. So yeah, it is a forest, so it is thick, like I said earlier. And there is wildlife. I didn't mention that. We saw a lot of monkeys and birds, and of course, by the way, around the water area there were bamboos, and that made me feel so wonderful, because I don't know, I think bamboos, I saw them just the pictures and videos, maybe television and stuff, but I had them right in front of me. And also, I cannot forget that it's a very good place for hiking, like I said, because majorly that is why we went there. And it's a kid-friendly place. You can see that I went with my kids, all of them, and my friends that I went with, they had kids. Everybody had their kid there. So it was an amazing place to be, and an amazing time, family time.
Nothing, it's just dark.
Dark, eh? Jaden, do you lion? Hi.
What's
Papa is here.
Jay.
Enjoying the park.
This is the best thing you got for me.
The lion.
Imagine.
Let me capture for you. I didn't know.
It's windy, but it's warm. Like I said, it's a very good place for our family, and you can see Abby there bonding with the last born, as I was just playing around with the other kids. And now it was over lunch hour, where we had to like at least take something. By the way, they accept somebody to come with their food. They don't have a problem with that. You carry your own food, and then you will go pick it up over lunch hour, because now the vehicles are not supposed to enter. There is somewhere they park near the gate, And then over lunch hour you can go come with your food using maybe one car. You put, if you're in a group, you put your food in one car and then you bring it inside, so that at least there isn't too much traffic in there. So, did I mention that it's a dry tropical forest? Yes, it's a dry tropical forest, and the nature trail itself provides a very, very good environment. I mean, it's natural. You will just love everything about it. The serenity is just amazing, amazing, amazing. And guys, this place has a waterfall, by the way, and it's a nice place. And the direction to this place is that, yeah, can be approached from Langata Road or Ngong Road all the way to Karen. And the nature trail, you'll just pass Karen Blixen House, and it is just a walk from that place. It's not far from Karen Blixen. Yeah, and guys, you can see we are moving inside there. We've had a good day, we have had a good time, and so I'm just showing you that the place has very many trees. But the good thing with that place, there are I can say some routes where you can go from this end to the other end. And my friend, that place you can get lost. As much as we're having markings in there, you can get lost. Wale wa Wajakoya ni ako sawa. She's okay. Amen. For Jesus every day. Come to the church in the wildwood. Oh, come to the church in the vale. No sport is so dear to my childhood as the little brown church in the vale. Oh, come to the church in the wildwood, to the trees where the wild rose bloom, where the parting hymn will be chanted. We will weep by the side of the tomb. Oh, come to the church in the wild. Oh, come to the church in the vale. No sport is so dear to my childhood as the little brown church in the vale. How sweet on a clear Sunday morning to listen like hearing bell. Each song so sweetly a calling. Oh, come to the church in the bell. Oh, come to the church in the wildwood. Oh, come to the church in the vale. No sport is so dear to my childhood as the little brown church in the vale. From the church in the valley by the wildwood, when day fades away into night, I will flee from this spot of my childhood, win my way to the mansion
Jesse, tuende.
Oh, my Savior, touch me. My Savior,
Keta. Jay, it's okay.
pardon there was multiplied to me. There my burden soul from liberty at Calvary. Now I've given to Jesus everything. Now I gladly own him as my king. Now my raptured soul can only sing of Calvary. Mercy there was great and grace was free. Pardon there was multiplied to me. There my burden soul from liberty at Calvary. Almighty God, that God is Son at Calvary. Mercy there was great and grace was free. Pardon there was
Oh wow, did I mention that you can go there if you're say religious friends and stuff? So like it is just a place where it is open and you just you click in with nature, you bond with friends and family, and you feel like you're home away from home.
Wanaweza sidhani zinaweza kuwa na unaona vile watu wako unattended and then they're not telling you from the gate wanafaa
So we are headed to the gate, and we will see where the prizes are attached. They are attached at the gate. So as you enter, that is the time you will see how you will pay. You'll just pay there at the gate and then good. And guys, that is what is needed. You will get a receipt and then you go in. So you can see it's already that is evening, how they charge. And we are headed up. We have already gone out of that place. We're just going home. But before we go home, I told you that we are going for just a slight dinner. And guys, we are already here at the mall. We're going to have something light. We had eaten during lunchtime and we ate a bit late. It was late lunch and we ate really good. So we're just going to eat something and then we go home. So for those who have not been at Thika Road Mall, this is how it looks.
unajua inatoka. Go to jail. I'll just carry this one. Do I carry a jacket? Zami? Jay, you need your jacket. And Zami, yeah? Do we need that?
So it's been a very busy day, a day full of activities, and somebody like Zami was lying flat over there, so she's so dirty and dusty. I just changed her clothes, yes, but her hair is full of dirt and shoes as well. So the only thing the only place she's clean is the clothes. So the first thing when we arrive home, it will be showering, and then we see what happens next. So we're waiting for food to be ready as we buy milkshake and ice cream and let go.
Mbona vile anacheka na hiyo ndio mtu anaendanga na nini ana Jami? Jami? Ati dad baby. Ndio hiyo anataka kusema. Sana ajabu.
She had dirtified her shoes, and I always carry spare Crocs because those ones are better, they're lighter. And then when she dirtifies her, now it's easier because I can remove them, especially the time that you want to carry her and you don't want to be dirtified. You can remove them and then have her put on again. Anyway, it's just like that. We had our dinner. It didn't capture much, and then we now headed back so that we may go home. I've just remembered there's some parts that I didn't tell you about. I didn't get a good glance of the waterfall because I was worried about the wind and the baby. But there's some friends who went there. So here we are trying to. It's a what do you call that? There were like stairs. You go from up going down, and I was scared of the whole place. But anyway, we crossed it over all the same as we were headed to the other path.
What is here? So that is the waterfall, Luko. Chile, seems like. It's all green, I'm telling you. Everywhere is green. Uko nini? There are no cars, Uko? None.
None. It's a train. No cars. Bike.
Totally.
Yeah. Umeamua sasa ukanyage trouser yangu.
Ameona abebeki vizuri. Vizuri.
Hapo sawa. Umechukua hiyo video yako? Umebaki wapi?
Miko hapa? Ya wapi babe?
Ya Zani?
No. Me see, I'm even scared of this place. It's scary. Oh, ndio ile nini? Ndio ile mto. You and your family do you have a song in your heart? Goodness, this place hii yenyewe ni nature. Mama, tulia.
Zami yako sawa.
Hii ni inaitangwa nature. Mama, say hello. Hata Zami anajishikilia, I'm telling you. Jay alishafika? Ati yeye ni kandume? God. Hapa haitaki pupa.
Hapa huwezi kuwa na pupa. Hapa inataka magoti kama iko na mafuta ya kutosha.
Na misuli tinginya kama uko na watoto. Goodness, this place is scary though. You.
Uko sawa.
Last step. Hey, kumbe I'm old. Sasa ndio nimeteremka hapo nikarealize I'm so old. Mifupa yangu inakataa. Please do. Weka hapo chini na utoroke. Timo umefanya kazi mzuri. Ako sawa. Amen.
for Jesus every day.
You can sing the song to welcome the
Jesse, tuende.
Oh, my Savior, touch me. My Savior,
Hera. G. It's okay.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
It's so dark in there, right?
Nothing, it's just dark.
Dark. Eh? Jaden, do you lion? Hi. The lion.
Let me capture for Hi.
So Jay offered to capture for me, and he came from the cave. It was so dark. That is what he told me. What I can say is that it was a good day. It was an eventful day, or what can I say? It was a fulfilling day. If that is some also a word of describing the day. And this is one of the days that I felt relief. Yeah, so guys,
you know,
kindly subscribe to show some love.
awesome.
Subscribe.